From the mountains to the river, from the lakes to the sea, our ancestors walked this land and left it for you and me. The waters tell our story, the forests sing our name. The Sepik is our mother and we must keep her the same.
Hear the drums across the valley,
Hear the voices rise again.
from every village, every family.
Together we will stand.
One voice, one Sepik,
One people, one heart, standing hand in hand, we will never be torn apart.
one voice, one Sepik.
Let the whole world know we stand for a river and we say no, no, no. Hey, hey. Oh. The river feeds our children, the land provides our way. What will remain tomorrow if we give it all away? The birds, the fish, the forests, hey, the spirits of the land, they are calling us together to rise and make a stand.
Hear the drums across the valley,
Hear the voices rise again.
from every village, every family.
Together we will stand.
One voice, one Sepik,
Hey, one people, one heart, standing hand in hand, we will never be torn apart. Hey,
one voice, one Sepik.
let the whole world know we stand for a river and we say no, no, no. No, no mining in our river, no poison in our streams, no destruction of the future, no stealing of our dreams. For our children, for tomorrow, for the land our fathers knew, we will protect the mighty Sepik. For me and you, who are we? We are Sepik. Why do we protect our land, our river? Why do we say? Why do we stand for? Life, unity.
One voice, one Sepik,
One people, one heart,
standing hand in hand.
we will never be
Torn apart. One Sepik.
Let the whole world know, protect God's creation, leave the mighty Sepik alone.
One voice, one Sepik.
One people standing strong,
Our river, our future.
forever we belong. From the mountains to the sea, let our voices carry on.
One voice, one Sepik.
Together we stand as one.